How to change video speed in VN Video Editor. Want to adjust the speed of your video in VN Video Editor? Let me show you how to do it. First, open your project and tap the video clip you want to edit in the timeline. At the bottom, find and tap the speed icon. You'll see a slider to change the speed. Drag it to the right to speed up or to the left to slow down your clip. You can preview your changes by tapping the play button. Adjust until the speed feels just right. If you want more precise control, tap the curve option to customize speed variations throughout the clip. For smooth slow motion, keep your footage at a high frame rate before editing. Try speed changes before. Share your favorite effect in the comments below. And that's how you can change video speed in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.